Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add custom exit and minimize buttons to your ImGui menu in the top right corner. So this is a quick and easy way to enhance your ImGui applications with basic window controls. This was suggested by a subscriber and I'm gonna leave his message on the screen right now. And as always, please subscribe, leave a like, and if you need anything, let me know in the Discord or in the comments directly, and I will probably make a video on it. So anyways, let's get started with this right away. The approach is pretty easily. We're gonna make two texts, one X and one minus, representing the buttons, and then if we click that text, we're gonna do the operation. So first things first, if we run the local debugger, we need to see that we want the text, the X and minus text, to be somewhere around here, so it can be a proper close and minimize button. Now obviously you can use icons for this as well, or direct images. I'm gonna use text because it's the easiest right now, but the main thing is getting to that position there, so the actual drawing that you can use anything. Anyways, you see, if you want your app to resize and you don't want it to be stationary and not editable, then you also need to have those buttons dynamic. So what we will do is use set cursor pose to set the position for our buttons. So let's go here, after begin hello world, our main window, we're gonna go ImGui set cursor pose. And then we're gonna use an vector 2 for position, and I'm gonna open this vector 2. And now what's gonna happen? For the X position, we're gonna get the total width of the window, so this will be dynamic, and then subtract from that the text size of the X and the minus, and it's gonna be pretty easily. So we're just gonna do an operation here, ImGui get window width. And after this, we're gonna do minus, and then we're gonna use the function ImGui calculate text size, and we're gonna calculate the text size of minus and X with a space between them. Obviously, if you want, you can use other things, but I'm just gonna do that. Anyways, let's go forward. After we've done this, obviously the calculated text size here, you're gonna have to do .x, so on the x axis, make sure you do that. And after that, we're gonna subtract 10 from it, so it's not really stick to the margins. And after that, we're gonna go, actually here we're gonna subtract 10, and after that we're gonna go and put, I've tested it and I've put 23 as the Y position, because the title bar takes some away, but you will see that in a second after we put the buttons as well. Here you will probably play with this a little. If you have no title bar, it's probably going to be lower, so make sure to check it and find the best position. Anyway, now to adding the buttons, which will actually be text, we're gonna do if, and then actually no, if not yet, we're gonna do ImGui text directly here and just type we're gonna put the minus first, the minimize. So we're gonna do the minimize text, and right after that we're gonna use a function if ImGui is item clicked. It's gonna help us see when someone presses that text, that minus. If item is clicked, and then we're just gonna do the minimize function, which you can do pretty easily by using show window, and then this just takes two variables. So you're gonna go, first of all, you're gonna use the HWND variable you've created above. If you named it this way, we are referring to this variable right here, where you have the create window X function. Anyways, you're gonna use that. Maybe you are using another function, depends if you watched my latest video or not, in deleting the background. But anyways, you're gonna use that, and then you're gonna use SW minimize here because we want to minimize it. This is how you do it. If you search on the internet, you will find here to the console window. You can also do that because when you open the ImGui, it's going to show the console window as well. So you can go here and do get console window or something like that, like this. And that's going to minimize the console as well. I'm going to leave it for now because I need to stop the debug by closing the console, but you can do that as well to minimize it. And now for exit, it's even easier. We're gonna go ImGui same line, so they're on the same line, and then we're gonna go ImGui text, then we're gonna go with an X here, and then proceed to do the same thing as here. I'm just gonna copy paste it with is item clicked, but instead of this thing, you're just gonna type exit with code 0. Now obviously you can customize this to however you like. You can also color the items, you can check if they're hovered, and depending if they're hovered or not, you can change colors. That's done pretty easily. You're just gonna go text colored here and use ImGui is item hovered, I think, something like that. Yeah, is item hovered, and depending on that, you can color the text how you want. But this is the basic tutorial on how you can do this. And now if we want to see our results, let's debug here, and as you can see, we have the minimize and the close button here. And if we change the width of the program, we still have them. Because they are dynamic. So this was a tutorial. Let's check for this. If you minimize this without having an actual window in your bar, it's going to minimize here for some reason. You can most likely change this, but you can tap it again, double click it to open, and the exit works just fine. Obviously, it will stop everything with the exit 0. Make sure you save anything if you have to save before doing that. But yeah, this was the tutorial. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and I hope you guys like it. And please subscribe and leave a like. As always, it helps me a lot. Join the Discord server because you can find out a bunch of stuff there. And I have many friends, developers in that server. They will help you. If not, I will leave your suggestions down in the comments as well, and I will probably make a video on them because I'm bored. So anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.